Hello everyone, welcome back into this channel, and today I want to share the tutorial how to pin your favorite contact of Telegram on your phone by iOS or iPhone. So first thing we're gonna do is go into the Telegram and then open the application, and after that just choose which message or which contact that you want to set to stay in the first row on Telegram. Okay, after you already choose it, there will be two ways. Either you slightly the contact in the right side until there is two options appear there, Marcus and Reed are pinned. You just need to click pinned, and then your friend's message or your friend contact will be stay on the first row, even though there will be any other or someone else who message you on Telegram, your favorite contact, your pinned contact will stay on the first row. And how to mark it as a unpinned, just let it into the right side until these two options appear, and then just click unpinned. And the second way is just by holding this contact until there will be generated into this features. There is several features that we can use, either Marcus unread, pin, mute, or delete. You just need to click pin, and now your contact, your favorite contact, is already pinned on your Telegram. So that's all for today's tutorial. If you find that this tutorial is really useful for you, don't forget to subscribe into this channel.